Hey there, folks. I have got the firearms cleaning playlist created here, as you can see. So go give it a check out. The first few videos are kind of old, but I have created the firearms cleaning how-to playlist. And while you're at it, go check out my other playlists as well. If you haven't already, I've got quite a few of them for you guys to check out on my channel. I am nearly to 1,000 subscribers, 20 more, and I'll be at 1K. Hard to believe. Later this week, I've got some cleaning videos on the Heritage Rough Rider 22 Single Action Army. I'll have a cleaning video on it and the Smith & Wesson Model 17-3. Going to be doing some cleaning videos on these two handguns here that I own. And hopefully, if all goes well, later on this week, I will be going shooting with my buddy Sparrow. Hopefully, if the weather holds. Big old thunderstorm came through last night, so I don't know. But if the weather holds and it's nice out, the next couple days I'll be going shooting with him later this week. But my plates, these first couple days here, today and tomorrow and maybe Thursday, my plate's going to be full. I've got other things that have come up and are taking up my time. But I'll get to these two videos, and hopefully maybe Friday or something I'll go shooting. Scratchy throat. That's not good. Anyway, figured I'd let y'all see that I do indeed have the new firearm cleaning playlist up as well. And as I stated before, if you haven't, go check out some of my other playlists, because I have all my videos separated into the different playlists, as you can see here.